Hi, welcome to KimchiTech English, where we teach you practical English applicable in daily life. Today we shall practice useful conversations. First, listen to us carefully, then repeat after us. Only listening is not enough, you must speak too. Both listening and speaking are important if you want to be good at English. So let's begin.
Was everything satisfactory? Very nice. Are you missing her? Yes, I am. What have you been up to? Well, I go to Faber College. What's your major? It's computer science. What time is checkout? 12 p.m. Have you got the time, please? Yes, it's 10 o'clock. Where is the closest police station, please? Turn right, then go straight. It will be on your left. What is your birthday? My birthday is 19th of October, 1999. How's the weather like today? It's sunny. When do you get off of work? I get off work at 8 p.m. How is business going? It's doing okay. Are you busy? Yes, there are a lot of works. Is it ready? Everything is ready. What are you doing? We're making cakes. What is wrong with you? Nothing. I'm fine. How do you call this in English? It is called a motorbike. Do you know how to swim? I can swim, but not very well. Is this your shirt? No, it's my brother's shirt. Whose is this car? It's my boss's car. Does this computer still work? Yes, but it needs some more repairs. How is she? She's pretty. How much do you make? $10 per hour. May I borrow your bike? Sorry, but I have to use it now. What does your sister look like? She's very tall and has green eyes. Which year are you in college? This year is my first year. What do you mean by that? I mean you are so nice. Do you know what I mean? No, I'm not quite sure. Would you mind repeating that? No problem. What's wrong with you? I lost my job yesterday. Do you need a hand? Oh yes, that's very kind of you. What's on your mind? I'm thinking about my exam tomorrow. Is there anything else? That's all, thanks. Have you heard the news about David? No, what happened? Have you seen Avatar movie? No, how was it? What does UN stand for? It stands for United Nations. Where's the nearest bank? It's at the end of King Street. What's your religion? I'm a Muslim. What do you think about this matter? I can't say for sure. Do you mind my smoking? No, I don't mind. What do you think of her? I think she is very kind and nice. What floor is your classroom on? It's on the second floor. When will it be ready? It will be ready by tomorrow. Where should I put this letter? Please put it on my table. Do you know her? No, I've never met her. Could you be at home by 7? Yes, I could. Why are you so happy? I have just got a job. How was your trip to Canada? It was really great. Are you looking for anything in particular? I'm just browsing. Are you being served, sir? I'm looking for a t-shirt. Will you show me some blue jeans? Yes, sir. Which do you like better? I don't like either of them. How much altogether? £10 in total. How would you like to pay? I pay by credit card. How much does this cost? It's $200. How about going out tonight? That sounds great. What kind of food do you like? I like all kinds of food. Could we have the menu? Certainly. Here you are. Could you bring us the bill, please? Yes, I'll bring it right away. Have you ever tried that food? Yes, it was awful. Do you smoke? No, I never smoke. How did you like the movie? Quite boring. What do you do in your free time? I play football with friends. What's your email address? It's wiki68@gmail.com. How much do you earn? Just $1,000 per month. Where do you want to go now? 89 Maple Street. Should we turn left or right here? We turn right. Where are we going to stop? We'll stop at the convenience store. Are we nearly there? About 5 minutes, I guess. May I see your driver license? Sorry, I've left it at home. Does it suit me? Yes, and I like the color, too. What color do you prefer? I like the brighter one. Do you sell socks? I'm afraid not. Do you have anything less expensive? Of course, let me show you. Does this machine come with a guarantee? Yes, it has 2 years guarantee. Will you deliver it for me? Sure, just leave us your address. How much would you like? £3. Could I try these clothes on? Definitely. Fitting rooms are over there. Have you got any change? Sorry, I haven't. Shall I take your jacket? Oh, thanks. Which one is Julia? She's the tall one in jeans. Is Tom the one sitting next to Susan? No, he's the one behind the couch. Have you been in New York long? No, not really, just a few days. Do you dance? Yes, I do. I go dancing every weekend. Are you free? No, I'm not. I'm on the way to class. When are you leaving for vacation? I probably leave around the end of May. Do you want to see a movie tonight? Maybe. What's playing? Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. What are you doing? I'm cleaning my room. Are you busy? Yes, I'm very busy. I don't have time now. Do you understand? No, I don't understand. Is it ready? Everything is ready. Are you busy? Yes, I have a lot of things to do. Where's the pharmacy? It's near the supermarket.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of video, there are so much more coming. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Trust me, you will not want to miss what's next.